How can I delete my Instagram account and recover my deactivate and delete account? Don't worry, just follow and subscribe. IK will teach you both methods. Deleting and deactivating Instagram from your PC, laptop or your Android phone. To delete your Instagram account permanent, follow these steps. Click on this. Now you see here Instagram menu. Click on setting tab, then press OK. Now you see here, click on account center. Look at account setting. Click on personal details. Click on account ownership. Click on deletion and deactivation. Select your profile. Now you click on any tab you want to delete and deactivation. Press continue. Now you choose any reason why you want to delete and deactivate your Instagram account. Press continue. Now you confirm your password. Press delete account. Congratulations, your account has been deleted successfully. Now we can delete and deactivate our Instagram account from PC or laptop. First of all, we click on more button in PC or laptop. Then we click on setting tab. And click on account center. Then we click on personal details. Then we click on account ownership and control tab. Now click on deactivation or deletion. Click on profile, what you want to delete or deactivate. You see here two options, deactivate account or delete account. So what you want, choose any one option and press continue. Here you confirm your password, your ID password. Here you see and choose any one reason for delete and deactivate your Instagram account. So choose it and press continue. Press continue. Press on delete account.